Assuming you're searching for torrential slide cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and most certainly need to know where the costs of torrential slide, AVAX, will fundamentally go from here on out. We will for the most part examine the previous costs of torrential slide, AVAX, and we'll figure out what specialists in a real sense are talking about its future cost activities as opposed to mainstream thinking. Kindly in every way that really matters, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each exceptionally other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts in an unobtrusive way, not to sort of make reference to anticipating something so ideal in every way that really matters, is totally unimaginable. Yet, we will for the most part attempt our kind of the best. How about we start? Torrential slide sort of past value examination as per the most recent information assembled. The genuinely current cost of torrential slide basically is $8.82. And AVAX is as of now really position number 23 in the whole crypto environment in a significant way. The dissemination supply of torrential slide, generally, is 354,047,282 with a market cap of $3,121,512,344. In the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.16% in its ongoing worth in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we most certainly analyze the kind of current market cap of the AVAX with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Torrential slide fundamentally is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins. The AVAX sort of is down to nearly 4.89% over the most recent 7 days. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of AVAX especially diminished by 58.490%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $12.42 from its really current worth in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase, a potential open door for fast interest incredibly. The 90 days cost change is near 50.44%. And the cost truly coursed from a base typical cost of $16.54 to, in every practical sense, most extreme truly normal cost of $18.27 in the beyond 90 days. Torrential slide certainly is somewhere near 27.01%. With the most extreme sort of typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $11.78. And the base typical value of was around $11.56 in by and large beyond 4 months. We generally anticipate future torrential slide cost expectations of AVAX gauge by applying profound kind of computerized reasoning, helped specialized investigation on the past value information of torrential slide. We truly give our altogether sort of greatest authentic information for the AVAX coin, which incorporate genuinely different boundaries like genuinely past value, torrential slide market cap, torrential slide volume, and really barely anymore. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to generally peruse our forecasts. Torrential slide value expectation 2023, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The cost of torrential slide truly is anticipated to truly reach at a very least degree of $13.85. The AVAX cost can arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $16.26, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of $14.49, which really is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. As per our very profound specialized examination on past value information of AVAX, in 2024, the cost of torrential slide, sort of is estimated to explicitly be at around a base worth of $20.33. The torrential slide value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of $24.45, with the typical exchanging worth of $21.05 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. AVAX value conjecture for 2025. the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to really reach at any rate worth of $30.04 in 2025, which is genuinely huge. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $34.85, with the typical exchanging cost of $30.89. All through 2025. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2026. The cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $43.21 in 2026. The torrential slide cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest worth of $52.65, with the typical exchanging cost of $44.44 all through 2026. In spite of prevalent thinking, torrential slide value expectation 2027, as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of AVAX, in 2027, the cost of torrential slide is in a real sense anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $64.71. The AVAX cost can arrive at an especially greatest degree of $75.69. with the typical exchanging cost of $66.49, in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation 2028 torrential slide cost by and large is figured to arrive at a most minimal really conceivable degree of $89.60 in 2028, which is very huge. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $113.74. with the typical estimate cost of $92.92. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2029. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to reach at a very least value worth of $127.42, in a quite huge manner. The AVAX cost can arrive at a very most extreme value worth of $152.90. with the typical worth of $131.14, in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value figure 2030 torrential slide cost by and large is conjectured to truly arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $185.27 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could arrive at a kind of greatest conceivable degree of $221.41. with the typical conjecture cost of $190.51, in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2031. The cost of torrential slide is by and large anticipated to basically reach at least degree of $259.31 in 2031, in an unobtrusive manner. The torrential slide cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $318.